Welcome to our website. I'm going to show you how to get $50,000 in unsecured lines of credit with no personal guarantees and up to $250,000 in small business government grants. Grants, as you probably know, are money that you don't have to pay back, so it's pretty much free money. But before we begin, I just want to stress the fact that we do not charge an application fee of any kind. Our service is completely free to you. The reason we don't charge any application fees is because we are not the lender. We don't charge any back-end fees or percentages and no success fees of any kind. How lenders typically work is that they will charge fees of between 1% and 5%, and that's a significant portion of money that you would not receive as a result of these fees. Getting started, I want to advise you that the average length of funding is between 3 and 5 business days for loans and 30 to 60 calendar days for grants. When applying, you just want to make a mental note of these time frames. In terms of getting yourself started, complete the form provided to you on this page. Once you do that, you're going to get a confirmation email asking you to confirm your information. The form here is very simple. It asks you for your name, your email, and the type of business that you have. For example, a sole proprietor, a corporation, or an LLC. Enter that information and you will receive a confirmation email, and we do this simply to avoid spam. Once you click the confirmation link, you will then be redirected to the page where you can download the package. Most importantly, we want you to know that we will never share your email address or request any personal information from you. The reason for this is that we are not the lenders, so we have no reason to ever request this information, and you should never provide this information to anyone except directly to your lender. In addition, even when dealing with your lenders, the loans and grants that you will be seeking will be unsecured and with no personal guarantee. After you've been redirected to the confirmation page, you will find your application there, and you will want to either view it online, print it from our site directly, or download it onto your desktop to begin completing it. You can do whichever you feel most comfortable with. Once you've completed this step, included with the loan and grant package and application created for you, we've also included a guide with everything that your business needs to qualify. I want to stress to you that the money is still there. The government is still issuing grants, albeit it's not as much as they were issuing back in 2007, and the same goes with loans, but much really hasn't changed. What has changed is the pre-qualification system. Most people think that you need a 3-year-old company, but that couldn't be further from the truth. A sole proprietor who just opened his doors can get the exact same funding. We know what needs to happen for you to get your funding, and it's extremely important that you follow our guide precisely, as it increases your chances to get funding by 200%. In fact, statistically speaking, out of 100 businesses who used our guide to complete their application, only 3 of them were declined for funding. So the odds are definitely in your favor. Remember, you have about 3 months until the grant office closes for the following year. We provide you with full support. We're here to extend a free helping hand. Anything you need, we're here to help you. If you have any questions, we built an in-depth resource system, a quality back-end system, and we're here just for you to help you complete your application faster and more effectively. So,